Hi guys, today for you I have for Taste Test Select Thursday, I have specially selected chocolate truffle eggs. The flavors are, the reason why this is Easter themed, I was going to have this for Easter, but I ended up having to do something else. For 3 weeks I was recording a costume tutorial that took forever, so this is actually 3 weeks ago's Taste Test Select Thursday, but that's okay because it'll still taste good. So we got flavors: strawberry, rhubarb. Not a fan of the rhubarb, but we'll see. Fruit cocktail with chocolate cream, raspberry vanilla, mixed fruit jelly with vanilla cream, cherry with white mousse, chocolate lemon with mousse and chocolate. So this is the front, side panel. This is a product of Germany, and it says Utz right here. Here's the back. So let's see, it serves 6, 2 pieces each. There's 102 calories. There is total fat 7 grams, saturated fat 4.5 grams, trans fat 0, cholesterol less than 5 milligrams, sodium 5 milligrams, total carbohydrate 15 grams, dietary fiber less than 1 gram, total sugars 13 grams, including 13 grams added sugar. Sugar alcohol 1 gram, protein 1, vitamin D 0.2, calcium 20 milligrams, iron 0.6 milligrams, potassium 50 milligrams. So if you're allergic to soy, wheat, it says may contain traces of egg, tree nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, chocolate, pistachio, walnuts, macadamia nuts, and peanuts, then you can't have this. Here is the ingredients. Here, let me take this packaging off so you can see it a little better. This won't open up. Oh wait, I think there is a, no, that's part of the box. No. There we go. There was a little pull tab at the top. So here is the ingredients, if you can see them there. So the fruit cocktail with chocolate cream looks like this. The cherry with white mousse chocolate looks like this. The lemon with mousse chocolate is right there. And then we got mixed fruit jelly with vanilla cream. There's the raspberry vanilla and strawberry rhubarb. So it comes with this on top. And these are very tiny. I thought they were going to be bigger. So there are 2 flavors of each. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so that's what those look like. You know what sucks is they put the flavoring on the back of these. So let's see. I'm going to try the fruit cocktail with chocolate cream. That is this one right here. It is a nice milk chocolate with this curly Q thing. The back side is flat. I guess I'll cut this with a knife. So there is a cream texture-y thing inside. What did I say this flavor was again? So it tastes fruity, like it says. It's a fruit cocktail. And it also has a cream taste to it. The chocolate did have a nice snap to it when you bit it. Let's try the cherry with chocolate mousse. That is this egg right here. This is a white chocolate with raspberry looking things, frosting. And the back side is flat again. This one has a chocolate mousse in it, so it is a chocolate. That is really good. The raspberry chocolate mousse. Sorry. So the raspberry and chocolate filling is really good. It has a nice raspberry flavor, and it's really tasty. It's not as snappy as the, oh, I'm sorry, it's cherry, not raspberry. It's just as flavorful as the other one. So next is the lemon with mousse chocolate. Let's see, it's the light chocolate one. So it looks like this. This is it looks like a dark chocolate with a milk chocolate swirl. The back side is flat. Oops, I didn't get enough cut. So this one is white in the center. Yep. The lemon does not taste like lemon. It's not as potent as the cherry was. It tasted more of a soury thing. So that one was okay. The next one is mixed fruit jelly with vanilla cream. That looks like this egg here. It is another dark chocolate with either sprinkles or chocolate powder, so the backside's flat. This one is a brown coloring. It does taste fruity, but not any particular fruit that you can narrow it down to. But that one had a better snap than that other one that we had. Alright, so the next one is the raspberry vanilla. That is this one here. So it looks like this. I think maybe it has like a milk chocolate or a white chocolate in the back with some sort of flakes. I don't know what you want to call this. It's like a fuzzy, I mean it's not really fuzzy, but it looks fuzzy. And you can hardly tell the backside is flat. Let me see if the other one is like that. Yeah, so this is more of a rounded egg, because I think what they put on it made it not so textural. Raspberry vanilla. This one has a caramel color looking, and this is supposed to be raspberry vanilla, so let's try it. I am not a fan of that one because it doesn't taste like anything what it said it was supposed to taste like. Yeah, it doesn't taste like raspberry, and vanilla is like really overpowering. So next is the strawberry rhubarb. So that one looks like this. It is a white milk, no, yeah, it is a white chocolate. It does have that flat background with this nice pink design. This one is more of a pinky color than brown. Now let's try it. I can definitely taste the rhubarb, but the raspberry or strawberry, what was it, raspberry? The strawberry texture is not overpowering. The rhubarb is overpowering the strawberry. So it's okay flavor. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and if you can still find these at your local Aldi's, I hope you come try them out. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.